Welcome back to our gardening channel where we explore the joys of growing your own food. In today's video we're going to be talking about provider bush beans. We'll delve into their history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. Let's get started. Provider bush beans have a rich history in American agriculture. They were first introduced in the 1960s and quickly became popular among home gardeners and commercial farmers alike. This variety was bred for its excellent productivity and disease resistance, making it a reliable choice for bean enthusiasts. Provider bush beans are compact plants that grow to a height of about 18 to 24 inches. They produce abundant clusters of slender, straight green pods. The pods are typically around 6 inches long and have a crisp texture and rich flavor. The plants have a bushy habit, meaning they don't require support and can be easily grown in small spaces like containers or raised beds. Provider bush beans thrive in full sun, so make sure to choose a sunny spot in your garden. They prefer well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Soil the seeds directly into the soil after the last frost date, about 1 inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering to prevent diseases. With proper care, the plants will germinate in about 7 to 10 days and start producing pods within 50 to 60 days. Companion planting can greatly benefit provider bush beans. They do well planted alongside crops like carrots, cucumbers, and radishes, as these plants help deter pests and provide shade to the beans' shallow roots. However, avoid planting beans near onions or garlic, as these plants can inhibit their growth. Provider bush beans are highly versatile in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed fresh, steamed, sauteed, or added to stir fries, salads, and casseroles. They are nutrition additions to any meal, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. If you have an abundant harvest, you can also consider preserving them by canning or freezing for later use. And there you have it. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.